Alrighty, so I didn't realize I did not film an intro, but I've been trying to get better at that, but I've been slacking a lot lately. But so, in this video, we're going to see I'm going back to my local dam again. Still trying to get on the walleye. The water's been been fluctuating a lot, going up and down. Been getting a lot of rain up north, getting a lot of rain here. The temperatures have been fluctuating 30 to 35 degrees every couple days. It's been a tough bite, but I would say today was actually a very, very good day, and that's what you're about to watch. If there's anything special you'd like to know, just leave a comment down below, and I'll try to help out as much as possible. But alright, hope you enjoy the show.
Fish on. First fish of the night. On the new rod. That is a nice smallie. That's a dandy of a smallie there. These hooks are definitely sharp. New crankbait with my bombers. 5A. Come on. That's a nice smallie. Do a little short video of this guy and I'll let him go. Water level is up a little bit. Beautiful out here. Got the new HMX rod. New 5A bomber. Caught a nice smallie. Let this guy go. Goodbye, friend. Just a quick reference of what I'm using. Right there, a little bomber 5A crayfish color. Just got it over the weekend along with a new St. Croix rod, which I'm not using yet. I haven't put a reel on there yet. Still debating what to put on there. Might take the reel off my Shimano SLX, the last one I have. It's not broken. Just take the reel off there and put it on the St. Croix Bass Mojo that I got and see how I like that thing. So far I'm liking this HMX. I mean, I finally caught the first fish on it. It's the only second time I've had it out. But I mean, it's sensitive enough where I can feel all the crankbaits that I throw with it doing its thing in the water, which is good. I can tell when it's bouncing off rocks. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to tell if it's like scooting in sand or packed dirt or anything like that. I don't know if it's that sensitive or not. Alright, tied back on, I lost it. Now I'm going with my another bomber 5A. Whatever color that is, don't ask me, colorblind. I hate it. So I guess when a lot of people what colors they're biting on, it's not intentional. Definitely not intentional. Just trying to help people out, and I guess it's just not one thing I can help them with is colors. Nope, there's one. Got one. See if we can get this one in. Another beautiful smallie. Hooks are definitely sharp. There we go, we got her. Another beautiful smallie. Let this guy go. All right, see what happens again. There's one right there. Oh, look at this feisty little guy. Ooh, that's not a bad one either. My bad, didn't mean to drop you. I'm just a little slimy. Come on, stop, please. See, that wasn't so bad now, was it? So much fish slime on me. Another nice smallie. I'm gonna let this guy go. It's definitely not a harvest day. Just out here to have some fun. Bye, friend. That bite was really, really different. Just kind of felt like it was in a snag. Oh, and I just missed one there. Felt like it was kind of in a snag, and then I was like, all right. And then all of a sudden I felt little head shakes. I'm like, nope, we got a fish. I don't want to lose this one too. Oh, no, it's a fish. No, what the heck? I'm gonna snag into a fish. Oh, I think I lost him now. Yeah, I did. That was weird. I must have snagged a fish coming out of the snag. That was kind of crazy. There's a hit though. That was a good hit. Got a jumper. No, nice smallie. All right, let this guy go too. Goodbye, friend. I know, I'm probably not your friend, shoving a hook in your mouth. There's one. Ooh, this feels like a heavier one. Oh, let's get away from those snags, please. Holy cow. This one feels really heavy or it's tangled up in fishing line. Oh no, it's a good one. Another good one. I'll show the camera here once I get the hook out. Another nice smallie. Heavy guy, nice and thick. Yeah, I'll let this guy go too. Goodbye. Alright, lost another bomber. On my last bomber 5A I have right here, 4 to 6 foot depth they dive. Hope I don't lose this one. If I do, it's part of it. I get it. It's nice to be able to land one more before I go home. I can't remember the brand name, but they're at Walmart for like $3. You know, little crayfish ones, little crappie crankbait. Kind of one of my go-tos for early spring, late fall. I do pretty decent with them. If you've seen in my older videos, I did really good last fall with these guys. The only downside is the hooks are smaller, so I lose a lot of fish with them. But we'll see what happens tonight. I don't have much time left. I really do need to get going here soon. There's one right there. Got him. Nope, he's gone. There's one. Maybe. Oh, talk about a little guy. And goodbye. Gonna show the camera, but slipped out of my hand. Pretty small. Maybe like 6-7 inches, that's it. There's one. Right off the snag. Ah ha ha. See what I mean? Small hooks. Got off again. Bummer. Alrighty. I don't know how well you can see me, but I'm gonna do my best here. This is gonna be my little outro here. It was a pretty good day. Caught quite a few smallies, lost quite a few smallies. Well, I don't know if they're all smallies or not, but it was definitely a fun day. It was nice to get out, a little bit warmer weather, a little bit windier, but I got one of my muffs on my camera, which I didn't get a very good job. Well, hopefully. They usually normally do a really good job, so shouldn't be saying too much until I go home, look at the footage. But alright, thank you for watching and have a great day.